Hi friends, it's Amber from Quilts Plus. We are winding down our Easter egg hop. We've got 3 days to go. Every time you come in, you're going to draw a discount. So it's a lot of fun. We've been having a great time. We still have mystery boxes left, but today's product is the Venice Placemat. This is a June Taylor Quilt As You Go product. It's a quilt by number. The interfacing is actually printed with the numbers that you're going to sew and the order you're going to sew them. Julie's panning down there on a copy of that. When you buy this interfacing, you're going to get enough to make a set of 6 Venice placemats. Now, you can use 2.5-inch strips for this, or you can have 6 to 8 different colors that are color coordinated and a 1/3 yard of each. And then you're going to need 2 half-yard cuts, and that is so that your the bed that your silverware sits on and the little pocket are all coordinated. They just take a little bit more fabric. So this is a fun project. It's $16.50, but of course you're going to have your discount on there. Come and see us. Have a good day.